How to fix Instagram like problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. Go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated and just see if there's an update here, then click on it and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just turn off your Wi-Fi. Now close your Instagram and open it again and turn it on. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then restart your phone and go to settings, apps and apps again. Now click storage, clear data, and then force stop and go to permissions, give it all of those permissions, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.